Hey friends, hope you're having a great day. So what we're going to be working on today is word problems and number sentences. So we're going to practice with the different operations. So we have adding. You can make that hand signal with your arms like we were doing before, subtracting, and multiplying and dividing. So we're going to add when we combine parts and make a whole. For example, if we have 4 plus 3, it would equal 7. And then we can also show it not just with a model of circles, but also with a number sentence or equation. And then another operation that we've been working on a little bit ago was subtract. And when we compare, we subtract, remember that? And so we separate a part from a whole. For example, we have 9 here, and we're taking away 5, and that's going to give us 4. 4 left over there. So whenever you're separating from a whole, that's when you can subtract, okay? Also, if you're taking away, we would be subtracting as well. So we multiply when we combine equal parts and make a whole. The key word here is equal part, or equal parts. Those are the key words, equal parts. So whenever we have maybe like the same amount of friends, we're giving the same amount of friends the same exact thing, or maybe we have so many rows of something or so many groups of something. When they're equal parts, that's when instead of adding, we're going to multiply. For example, we have 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, and 2 in each group, 2, 4, 6, to give us that answer 6, okay? And then we also have divide that we've been practicing, where we separate a whole into equal parts. So we would have the whole like this, 8, and we would break that off into groups of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in each group, we would have the same amount. So keep adding, we'd have 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'd add 1 until we get to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we would see that there are 2 in each group. Okay, let's practice a little bit more. Which word problem matches the number sentence 4 times 2 equals 8? We have 3 choices. Imagine this as I'm saying it. Pedro has 4 apples. He has 2 pears. How many apples and pears does Pedro have? Letter B. Each bag has 2 apples. There are 4 bags. How many apples are in the bags? Or letter C. Each bag has 8 apples. How many apples are in 2 bags? So you're trying to come up with a story problem or a word problem that matches this equation. You're choosing from A, B, or C. So the first thing is step 1. Find the action for the operation symbol in the given sentence, the given number sentence. So the X means to multiply. So we're going to combine equal parts to make a whole. 4 times 2 means we're going to combine 4 groups with 2 in each group. So the whole is 8. Step 2, we can draw a picture or a model to understand each problem. On A, it says that we have 4 apples, and then he has 2 pears. How many does he have in all? It would be 6. So that's not the one that matches. Letter B has 4 bags, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 apples in each bag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That matches. Let's just double check C. Each bag has 8 apples, so there's 8, there's 8. How many bags are in 2 apples? So we would have 8 times 2. Okay, so that would be still multiplying, but it would be in different numbers. So step 3 where we would find the action on operation using each problem. And then step 4, we could actually write a number sentence that solves each problem. And then step 5, we would compare our number sentence with our given number sentence. So we find out that the word problem B matches the number sentence 4 times 2 equals 8. All right, friends, jump into Schoology, try to work on your activities for today, and we'll continue practicing these story problems the rest of the week. Great job.